Hello everyone, how are you all? This video is basically dealing with how to send the Google form, right? The question paper, the PTs which you have created, right, for some classes, right? So let's get started. So as you can see on your screen that this is the inbox with which you have created that Google form. You have to log in to that account through which you have created that Google form. Okay, so after that what you have to do is you have to go to this Google Apps grid, small grip, right? Then you have to click on this, docs, right? Then the docs interface is appeared. Now at the left side you have a main menu, right? The same option while going to the forms. So click on the forms. Okay, okay, suppose you have created this form, right? Class 5 English, right? So you have to come back again here on the inbox interface, click on the same Google Apps, then click on Drive. Okay, you have to click this Drive. Your Google Drive will open here, and by default my Drive option is selected, and search in Drive. So what was the name of your Google form which you have created? That was class 5 English. Suppose this is an assumption only, I'm just demonstrating you. Okay, class 5 English. No need to click here. The suggestions are being provided to you by the Google Drive. No need to click anywhere. Once you have written class 5 English, then press enter only. Okay, then the suggestions or the search related to that keyword, that is class 5 English, will come here. So you have to identify like the form, okay, which you have created. So this is the icon of the form basically, right? So same icon will come or appear here too, as you can see this, right? So search more if it's not there, but see, okay, class 5 English is the same, which but I have to verify it again. So double click here, the form will open. You have to verify that this is the final one. Okay, you have to check it thoroughly before sending it, right? So suppose this is the one which you have to send. So come back here, right? So right click on that particular file. You're right clicking, share option is there, share. Okay, right? So this add editors layout is appearing here, right? Or it's appeared here. So what you have to do is now the question is to whom you have to send. So let me show you some email IDs to you. So if you have created a question paper in the form of Google form for class 3rd, then you have to consider this online class 3.uspc@gmail.com. If you have created for class 4, then online class 4th, right, .uspc@gmail, and for 5th, 6th, 7th, and so on, like this. Okay, till class plus 2. So you have to send, okay, on these whatever is deemed fit with your class, right? So you have to select that. Okay, I'm minimizing it. Suppose this is for class 5, so I'll be writing online class, sorry, make it in small letter, but it doesn't make doesn't matter if you're writing in capital letter or small letter, because this is the email address. Online class 5.uspc@gmail.com. okay, so it will prompt here, right? When it will prompt, then only you have to select it. Click. Okay, it is selected. It is coming in a cylindrical form, right? So it is selected. So make sure the editor is selected here, or editor is written here. Click on send. Okay, the person is added. As you can see, some message is appearing here, person added, right? But the work is not done yet. Right click again, click on share. Okay, so this is online class 5 editor. Click on editor, make owner, right? So you have to click on owner here. The new owner will be notified and could remove you. Just ignore this message and press yes. Okay, so class5.uspc@gmail.com is the owner of that form now, right? But still you can edit it, but do not edit as you are submitting the final copy to us, right? So do not do editing afterwards, and press done. So your work is done here. Okay, that's it. So you have to share like this. Okay, so I hope you understood each and everything, right? If you have any kind of query, you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.